Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys about the latest Plants vs. Brainrots update. So basically, there is a new biome. It is called the Winter Biome. Here, hold on, oops. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. Let me just purchase these seeds for the chest. Anyways, go to the Biome Totem, and as you can see, there will be a winter biome here. It says complete missions to unlock 100 out of 125. So you'll need to complete 125 missions. I just need 24 more, sorry. So as you can see, these spawned again, which means there is a new biome, which is the winter one. The Santa's Workshop biome is free, and it is for the event if you didn't know already. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!